Go.
Stay. Come on. Yay!
Get it?
Mm-hmm.
Manny, come back.
Good.
No.
Sit. Sit and stay.
Sit. Stay. Ready? God.
Oh, he went under the hoop.
He did?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought he went over it.
No, he didn't. Pull that back and you'll see it.
It's,
Look, he goes under
Okay.
it now.
Push it
Put
down a
it
little
up
bit.
too
Yeah, I
high.
put it up too high. Okay.
sit.
Sit.
Sit. Sit.
Sit, Manny.
Sit. Hey, sit. Okay, stay.
Ah, stay.
Stay. Come on.
Did he go through it?
Yeah. He can't go under that.
Did you play it back?
Yeah.
What do you mean, no?
I didn't play it back.
Come on, man. Sit. 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 Stay.
Uh.
Go back. Sit. Sit. Stay. Come on, man.
Should send that to Keith and Max.
Yeah.
Come on. Go back.
How about switching them?
No.
Put the hoop down there and put the bar up closer. Well, no, not that.